Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my version of Zuppa Toscana. This is actually a very popular soup recipe from the restaurant called Olive Garden. I hope you guys try this recipe. It's super good, super easy, so let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to start by adding a teaspoon of vegetable oil. I have my heat turned on to about medium-high heat. I'm going to add the turkey bacon. This is about 5 slices of turkey bacon that I just chopped up into little pieces. Cook this for a few minutes and then add the sausage. This is about 13 ounces of turkey sausage. So we're just gonna stir this up for a few minutes. And then we're going to add the vegetables, starting with the garlic, onion, celery, and carrots. Saute this for just about a minute. Next, I'm going to add some water and we're going to bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to add 1 chicken bouillon, some salt and pepper. And then we're going to stir this up and bring this to another boil, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'm going to add about 2 medium potatoes here that I just thinly sliced. And I'm just going to mix this well with the other ingredients. Please check the description box below for all ingredients, measurements, and substitutes, and all the other informations. Next, I'm going to add 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. You guys, please do not forget this ingredient here. This is very important. This makes a dish, I can't even tell you, it makes it super delicious with heavy whipping cream. You can't just miss it. Anyway, so at this point, I just turned off the heat. I'm going to add the kale, and I'm just going to let this warm up with the other ingredients. This kale cooks really fast, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of green onions. And you can start tasting this, see if you need to adjust the seasonings. So here I'm just adding a little bit more of salt and pepper. And then stir this around. The dish is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share the video if you can. You can also click on the notification bell so it notifies you when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching.